Hello everyone, welcome to Pambathaka Mancuza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kumkhokha the case next week kusukela ngoMsombuluko ngomhla ka-24 February 2025 kuya ngoLwesihlanu mhla ka-28 February 2025. NgoMsombuluko ngomhla ka-24 February 2025 through stubbornness mixed with tenacity, Mabusi is finally able to become a hero. A loving father compromises himself for the love of his family. NgoLwesibili mhla 25 February 2025, a gang home Mzobe hunt down her husband killer. Kamadondo has a tough decision to make about Sibatle's future. Mamzobe feels the lashes wipes whipped on Mzobe's body. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-26 February 2025, Mamzobe is faced with a painful decision when Manzimande persuades a conflicted father has to overcome many obstacles in order to achieve his mission. NgoLwesine mhla 27 February 2025, Mamzimande gives Mamzobe a taste of her own poison. Diva is exposed for lying to the church. Ndlovu has no powers to stop Sibatle's lobola. Friday, ngomhla 28 February 2025, the Mthembus and the Gomedes bury the headset and have a reconciliation lunch. But their enemy number one returns to shelters. Everything in Sibatle's lobola day goes well until Ndlovu happens. Ngiyayibamba lana ungakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell nokusubscribe noma usho umbono wakho. Bye.